it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a nice little Dior beauty unboxing just in time for the holidays so that we can see some of the gorgeous gift sets that they have this year from Dior. They always have the most beautiful sets and packaging and hot take. I know people love the Chanel gift sets. I love them too, but I feel like Dior doesn't get the attention that it deserves. Now, the thing that I love about shopping with Dior Beauty is that you can always get a lot of little freebies. So every time you shop on Dior, make sure you're paying attention to the codes that they have at the top of the screen. Right now, at the time of this filming, I don't know if it's going to be live by the time that I post this video, but if you spend $150, you can get a free Dior jewelry box, and if you spend $200, you also get a nice little beauty pouch. And if you're watching this video on the day that I upload it, which is November 26th, this promo is still going on. It's while supplies last, but if you want to get a jewelry box and a little pouch, you should be able to pick it up. They also have another promotion going on. If you spend $500 or more, put in the code BLK Friday 23. You'll also get another cute cosmetic case. This one's a little bit bigger. It has a zip around and a handle, and you'll also get a silk scrunchie and a silk eye mask. So let me just pull the top of the box away, and here we have the nice tissue paper with the pretty Dior sticker at the top. And in here there are some items that I am desperate need of right now. If you cannot tell, my nails are not in the greatest shape, my hands are not in the greatest shape either, and there are some things in this gift set that I think will really help with that. Now inside we have the beautiful blue velvet gift pouch. This year they have two colors. This is the nice navy velvet one that they usually have, and then they also have a white version as well. This gift set right here that I'm popping on the screen is a great option with the white bag, and I believe it's about $100. It comes with a nice lip product and the lip balm. This gift set that I'm opening up in my hands, this is the Dior Favorites gift set. It comes with a lip oil, and this is in the color 001 Pink. It comes with the apricot nail cream, which I'm in desperate need of right now. I've been decorating, cooking. My nails are not great. I actually just messed up the polish on one of them filming this video. So this is very much needed. And it's just a nice, cute little tub. You open it up like this, and inside you have the nail cream. And then the third product that this gift set comes with is their Viral Rosy Glow Blush. This is in the color 001 as well. Just like the lip oil, it's their viral pink shade. I've been wanting to try this blush ever since I saw it online, and I was hoping that it would come in a gift set, and it did, so I picked this one up for myself as a little holiday gift to me. Now the other thing that I wanted to mention about products like this cherry oil is that you can actually get these personalized. So if you wanted a small little gift for somebody special, or maybe just for yourself, you can get them personalized with Say Your Name, which I think is a really cute gift or stocking stuffer. So again, this is the Makeup Favorites gift set, and it comes with these three products: the nail cream, the rosy blush, and the lip oil. Now here are some of the freebies that I got. Now earlier I mentioned that anytime you shop at Dior.com, you can usually get a lot of freebies. I'll include any promo codes that I know of in the description box below, including the one that I mentioned earlier. So the first thing I got was this Dior Rose and Roses Mini Dior Fragrance. I also got two fragrance samples, the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum and the Miss Dior Rose and Roses. So I have two little Rose and Roses options. If I really like that scent, I won't have to buy it for a while. I also got this little fragrance sample from Dior as well. And then anytime you order something from Dior's website, you can usually pick some samples. So I picked a Lip Addict Lip Maximizer sample in these different colors. I have this in the color Rosewood, so I really wanted to try it in a few different colors, and here I have 4, as well as a little lip brush. And then finally, the last sample that I picked was the Eden Rock perfume sample, and this is from their Privé collection, and oh, the label's upside down on this one actually. That's so funny. But I was really looking forward to trying these, and I love selecting these as my samples because these are really pricey perfumes, and I've started collecting a lot of these little mini ones so I can try all of the perfumes. And it's great because if you want to, of course, try it before you spend so much money on the perfume, I would definitely go for these. And then having the nice little mini collection is fun. And then of course all of your samples come in this little drawstring pouch. Now this next part, I can tell you I'm already a little bit disappointed because I thought that these products were going to come in a box. I'm pretty sure I selected gift wrapping, and this is just for myself, but had it been for somebody else in my life, I would be pretty disappointed by this packaging. I ordered the the Dior Beauty Favorite set, which is similar to the set that I had just unboxed with just a few key differences. Number one, you don't have a pouch, which is okay in my opinion, especially if you get it during a promotion where they do give you a free pouch. You can always include that pouch with the gift set if it's going to be a gift for somebody else or for yourself, unless you really want that specific blue or white pouch. It's usually like a pink or a red or a black pouch that they include in the promo. So here I have another Rosy Glow blush. This time I got it in a different color. There were two colors that I wanted to try for this blush. Of course, the pink one that I showed you earlier, and then I wanted to try it in the slightly deeper shade. And this is shade 12 Rosewood. I'm just gonna swatch them since these are for me, so we can get an idea of the colors. And I thought these would be like the best colors for my skin tone. And there's the swatch of the two colors. So this is the Rosewood, the shade 012, and then this is the pink 001. So in addition to the blush, the Beauty Favorites collection also includes another lip glow oil, and this is another product that I've really wanted to try from Dior. So this is going to be the shade also Rosewood 12. So I opted to go for like a really nice pinky option and then a more nude rose color option, which is really my go-to shade when it comes to lipsticks. So let me go ahead and swatch these as well. Now I don't know if the color really comes across. They're both very subtle colors, which is something that I wanted. It is a lip oil. Over here I have the Rosewood, and then over here is the pink. And then the final product that I purchased is another one that I've been wanting to try, and it's the Christian Dior Lip Balm. This is meant for your hands, your lips, and your body, and it's supposed to be a nice moisturizer. And here is what the container looks like. It reminds me a lot of the Chanel packaging, but this of course is the Dior version. You have the Dior oblique monogram up there with the Christian Dior logo. And let me just try a little bit of this and smell it. It has a very, very subtle scent to it, so it's not going to be like very overpowering. I would say that the scent for the Chanel hand cream, if you use that, it's a lot stronger than this one. And here is a side-by-side comparison of the hand creams. This one, of course, is from Chanel. I've used this one a ton. As you can tell, it's a little worse for wear. And then here is the Christian Dior. Now, this one is 50 ml, and so is this one. So it's the same amount of product. This one just feels a little bit bigger just because of the packaging and the egg shape. And this one is slimmer. I think this one actually probably works best for a purse over this one. This could be a little bulky, especially in the mini bags. This one's nice, you can just like slide it right in. As far as scent goes, I would prefer this one, but I think it makes sense that this one doesn't have too much of a scent, especially because it's made for your hands and your lips. Obviously, you're not going to want like the same kind of scent that you would have from a hand cream on your mouth. So I think that's a big reason why. I've heard a lot of great things about this as far as hydration goes, so I'm looking forward to trying it and maybe comparing to see which of the two are my favorite. All right guys, well this is everything I bought from my Dior beauty haul this time around. Again, I'm disappointed at the fact that the second gift set did not include the beautiful packaging that it would normally come with. And it is pictured with the box, and I did select gift wrap, so I'm quite surprised that it didn't come with it. Maybe they ran out of boxes. I'm not sure. I've ordered these gift sets in the past and they have come with boxes. So I think I'm going to reach out to Dior and see if they would be willing to send me one. Luckily, these products are for myself, so it's not that big of a deal if I don't wind up getting it. But if this was a gift for somebody else, I'd be pretty upset about it. Let me know in the comments if you've ordered any of these gift sets from Dior lately and haven't gotten a box. But that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you're not done watching my channel, I'll leave 2 videos up on the screen right now for you to watch. And don't forget that I'm going to include promo codes and any other freebies down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.